Black hat SEO techniques, keyword stuffing explained. Hey everyone, it's your name with Matrix Bookkeeping. We all know how crucial it is to rank high on Google, but some tactics can do more harm than good. Specifically, we're uncovering the truth about keyword stuffing, a deceptive practice that can tank your website's ranking. In this video, we'll break down exactly what keyword stuffing is, the different forms it takes, and why you should avoid it. We'll arm you with the knowledge to protect your website and keep your SEO strategy squeaky clean. Let's start with the most obvious culprit: visible keyword repetition. Imagine reading a blog post that sounds like a broken record, repeating the same keyword phrase ad nauseum. It's jarring, right? That's because it's not natural, and it's a surefire sign of keyword stuffing. When you stuff your content with keywords, you're sacrificing readability and user experience for a quick and often temporary boost in rankings. Google's algorithms are smarter than that. They can spot keyword stuffing a mile away and will penalize your website for it. Instead of shoehorning keywords into your content, focus on creating high-quality, informative content that naturally incorporates relevant keywords. Next up, we have hidden keywords, a sneakier form of keyword stuffing. Website owners try to trick search engines by hiding keywords in places where users can't see them, but search engine crawlers can. Imagine a web page with white text on a white background. You can't see it, but search engines can read the code and see those keywords. Other sneaky tactics include stuffing keywords into image alt text, hiding them in meta descriptions, or even burying them in the website's code. Hidden keywords are essentially a form of spam, an attempt to game the system and manipulate search rankings. Google is all about transparency and providing a positive user experience. And just like with visible keyword repetition, Google is wise to these tactics and will penalize websites that engage in them. Chapter 3: Irrelevant Keywords. This involves cramming your content with popular keywords that have nothing to do with your website's topic or your target audience's interests. Imagine landing on a website about gardening, only to find it littered with keywords like celebrity gossip or cheap flights to Hawaii. The problem with irrelevant keywords is that they might attract clicks, but they won't attract the right kind of clicks. Instead of trying to trick users into visiting your website with irrelevant keywords, focus on attracting the right audience, people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Use keywords that are relevant to your content, your products or services, and your target audience's needs. Chapter 4: Keyword Overload and Metadata. Metadata provides concise information about your web pages to search engines. While it's important to optimize your metadata with relevant keywords, cramming them in like sardines is a recipe for disaster. A meta title that reads like a laundry list of keywords is not appealing to users or search engines. Think of your metadata as a concise pitch for your web page. Instead of stuffing keywords into your metadata, use natural language and incorporate relevant keywords strategically. When your metadata is clear, concise, and relevant, users are more likely to click on your link in the search results, which can boost your rankings over time. So, there you have it, the ugly truth about keyword stuffing. It's a black hat SEO tactic that can seriously harm your website's rankings and reputation. Instead of trying to outsmart search engines, focus on what really matters, providing valuable, relevant, and engaging content to your audience. If you're looking for sustainable SEO success, ditch the black hat tactics and embrace a white hat approach. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SEO